Hey guys, it's real tie-dye kitty, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make fluffy slime. I'm here with my two friends,
Nadia
and Danielle, and today we're going to be making fluffy slime.
Yeah.
So, the ingredients you'll need is Elmer's glue, or some other type of glue, clear or white. And we also have food dye, but that's optional. And you will need some type of slime activator. We're going to be using borax, but you can use Tide or Gain or something like that. So yeah. So if you are using borax, you'll need a bowl of water. And then I'm not using any measurements. I'm just putting in, like, not to fill not obviously more than the water, but just pretty much, maybe like, you can kind of tell because you don't want to add like just a tiny bit or else it won't really activate it. And so I just add like kind of a lot. And so right now I'm using a toothpick to mix it. Okay, so now that it's all mixed, we'll set that aside, and we can now pour in the glue. Depending on how much slime you want, that's how much glue you put in.
Okay, so now if you have food coloring, it's time to add it in.
Okay.
Add a few drops.
Yeah. And we want ours to be very vibrant, so we're going to add kind of a lot.
Yeah. The sound.
No, not all of it. That's good, that's good. Now we've got it all mixed. Mine's purple.
Mine's pink.
Mine's teal. Okay. Next step is to take your mixed borax solution and you're going to add it in little bits at a time. Because if you add it in all at once, then it will get all clumped up and it will not be very good slime. We're making 3 colors because we want ours to end out kind of tie-dye-ish. You can see the slime is already coming together, but we still need to add some more because it's still really gluey and okay. So we forgot to add in the shaving cream at the right time, but we can still add it. It'll still become fluffy slime.
Yeah, make sure you add shaving cream before.
Yeah, don't do what we did.
Yeah.
Hopefully you're watching this video before you actually make it.
Yeah. I'm just going to mix it with my hands.
Yeah. We're just going to start mixing it in with our hands and it will
feels
soon all to come together. So now the shaving cream is all in it.
Yeah.
But there's still some left in the bowl, so we're going to try to get that in. You can hear the squeaks.
Yeah. Got to mix little bits in. Oops.
Okay, so now we're going to put all of our slimes in one little thing and let it mold together because we want a tie-dye.
Bye. Beautiful pink. It might mess up the color.
It's fine because we want it to be tie-dyed mix.
Yeah, but like, you know, if you mix it up, then it'll like turn brown.
It's okay. So we're actually gonna so keep yours actually, guys, and just take a little bit. So like,
Oh yeah, let's just test it.
so like, let me just take a little bit of yours, because like, so we're gonna each take one color of each. Oh wow, that's cool. And then we're gonna take like little bits of each color for each of ours.
Yeah.
So like whatever our main color is, it's gonna be the most of it.
Mm-hmm.
Purple. Okay, so we mixed them all together and we're trying to make a tie-dye. It's pretty cool. And soon we're going to be doing the stuff that the moment we've all been waiting for. The ASMR, like mushing the slime and stuff. So,